What's up YouTube? I'm Big Man's Bird. Remember I was telling y'all I was going to use this in another video? But before I go any farther, I do not own the rights to this video. Reason I say that is because many people probably have done this themselves too. And now I'm getting the camera distance here. About well here. I'm sure y'all can see me well. But this is really nice. I'm using my zoom in button here, and I can see y'all up close now. Hey! But I love this. This is awesome. By the way, this is my old camera I had. It's the Canon PowerShot ELPH 160. I no longer use this one as a everyday camera, which I got the other one I got, the DLSR, which is another word for fancy camera. And plus, it fits my hand perfectly. It sure does. This is really cool. I love this. I really do. I can see everything in the screen, even though it's keep on going off on me. But this is really cool. I like this. I really do. I love it. The last thing I got to say is about this great product is it's awesome. Y'all should get one yourself and check it out. Okay, let me get back into the up close for y'all. Let y'all see the up close with it. Let y'all see the camera as well. But anyways, awesome product. Just like I say, awesome. Forgive me repeating myself. I can't help it. I love it. But last but not least is I thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and until next time, thank you for watching, and I'm Big Man's Bird.